Hello everyone, মই সুদেশনা শইকীয়াই আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো। আপোনালোক সকলোৱে হয়তো জানে যে আজি স্লেট এক্সামটো হৈছিলে আৰু তাৰ আজি আমি পেপাৰ 1 খনৰ আনসাৰ কি ডিসকাস কৰিম। পেপাৰ 1 খন যেহেতুকে সকলো সাবজেক্টৰ কাৰণে কমন হয়, আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো শেষলৈকে চাব। আজি আমি সকলো কোৱেশ্চনৰ আনসাৰখিনি জাস্ট ডিসকাস কৰি যাম। আনসাৰ কি মানে আপোনালোকে নিজে কাউন্ট কৰিব পাৰিব যে আপোনালোকে কিমান মাৰ্কস পালে আৰু শেষত কিন্তু কমেন্টত মোক জনাব যে আপোনালোকে কিমান মাৰ্কস পালে। লগতে চেনেল সাবস্ক্ৰাইব আৰু ভিডিওটো লাইক কৰি যাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। সো পলম নকৰি আজি ভিডিওটো স্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ। সো এখন 2026 পেপাৰ হয়, পেপাৰ 1 যোন সকলো সাবজেক্টৰ কাৰণে কমন হয়। ফুল মাৰ্ক আহিছিলে 100 আৰু কোৱেশ্চন আহিছিলে 50টা, মানে এটা কোৱেশ্চনত 2 মাৰ্কস কৈ আছিলে আৰু ফুল টাইম আছিলে 1 আৱাৰ 10 AM to 11 AM। সো এখন আছিলে কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰখন। সো আমি এতিয়া আনসাৰখিনি ডিসকাস কৰোঁ। So your first question to asile probability sampling is a research technique which uses random selection process. Which one of the following is a probability sampling? So your correct answer hobo option number D, that is cluster sampling. Option number D is correct. Next question number 2 পৰা 5 লৈকে টেবুলখনৰ ওপৰত বেস কৰি আছে। আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি আনসাৰখিনি কিন্তু ডিসকাস কৰিম ইয়াত। যেহেতু এটো আনসাৰ কি সেশন হয়, আপোনালোকক যদি ডিটেইল আনসাৰ লাগে মোক কমেন্ট সেকশনত জনাব, মই গোটেইখিনি এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিও আনসাৰ দিম। Next question number 2, the average number of the respondents who related to the exam to be fair. Your correct answer is option number C, that is 60. Next question number 3, which state has the highest number of positive rating? So your correct answer is option number C, that is Assam. Next question number 4, in terms of the percentage of positive rating, which is true of the Mizoram and Manipur? So your correct answer is 4A. Next question number 5, Next question number 5 is identify the group of the states having all different negative rating. So your correct answer is option number C, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. Next question number 6, your answer to option number C, that is only 2 and 4. Next question number 7 is by interpreting the following diagram out of the number of urban corrupt politicians. Yet diagram dia ase, etu base kori apnalok option to dise. So question number 7 or answer hobo option number C, that is 9. Next question number 8 to dia ase je find the odd one out. So your correct answer hobo option number D. Question number 9 is which of the among following is the massive open online course platform created by the Ministry of the Human Resource Development, Government of the India? So your correct answer to ami hokole janu ki hobo SWAYAM, option number B. Next question number 10 is determine the following statement and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So yet keshaman code dia ase, iar por base kori ami answer to dibo lage. So question number 10 or answer hobo apnalokor B, option number B. Next question number 11 or 11 or ase 11 or yet apnalokor triangle ketaman dia ase, iar answer to uliabo lage aru iar correct answer hobo option number A, that is 41. Next question number 12, A and B are brothers, C and D are the sisters, and the son of A is the brother of D. B is related to C as. Question number 12 for answer hobo option number D, that is uncle. Next question number 30, in a certain code word abstain is written as this, and how will you write this as a given code? So question number 13 or answer hobo option number B, that is DTCKP. Next question number 14, out of the following which type of chart will be applicable to show the trends or the changes over time? So question number 14 or answer hobo C, that is line chart. Question number 15 ase match the following list 1 or list 2. Here 15 or answer hobo option number C. Next question number 16 is a man travels from station A to the B at a speed of the 45 km per hour and come back from B to A at a speed of 36 km per hour. What is his average speed? So question number 16 correct answer hobo option number A, that is 40 km per hour. Next question number 17, a research approach in which the investigation creates an environment similar to that of the interest in order to study the realistic behavior pattern is known as. So your correct answer hobo option number D, that is simulation. Next actually eta passage ase aru passage to por base kori question number 18 aru 19 dia hoise. Directly ami answer kita sam yar 18 aru 19 or pora. So 18 or correct answer hobo option number D, that is paranormal, and question number 19 or answer hobo option number B, that is writer. Next question number 20, ecological footprints represent ইকোলজিক্যাল ফুটপ্ৰিণ্টক কি ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰে চ' ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ ডি এৰিয়া অফ দ্য প্ৰডাক্টিভ লেণ্ড এণ্ড দ্য ৱাটাৰ টু মিট দ্য ৰিচোৰ্চ ৰিকুৱাৰমেণ্ট নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 21ৰ আনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ বি নেক্সট 22 টো এটা গ্ৰাফ বেছ কুৱেশ্যন হয় চ' ইয়াত সুধিছিলে যে ডিফাৰেঞ্চ ইন আৰ্নিং হুইচ ৱাজ লাৰ্জ বিটুইন চ' ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ একচুৱেলি মই দুটাই শুদ্ধ পাইছোঁ এ আৰু চি আপোনালোকে কি পাইছে মোক জনাবচোন কমেণ্ট ছেকশ্যনত Next question number 23. Which of the following statements about the positivism and post-positivism is not true? So, here correct answer is option number D. Next question number 24 which say which of the following data types is related to the qualitative data? Qualitative data লগত কোনটো related হয় সুধিছে so আপোনালোকৰ ইয়াৰ correct answer হ'ব option number B that is ordinal data and nominal data আৰু এটা মই মাজতে কথা এটা কৈ থাও আপোনালোকৰ সকলোৱে question paper বিলাক হয়তো নাম্বাৰিং বিলাক খেলিমেলি হৈছে so নাম্বাৰৰ ওপৰত গুৰুত্ব নিদিব questionটো মই পঢ়ি দিছো যেহেতুকে questionটোৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰি আপোনালোকে আনসাৰটো চেক কৰিব হেতু নাপাহৰিব আৰু একেবাৰে হেকত আপোনালোকে কিমান মাৰ্কস পালে কিন্তু কমেন্ট সেকশনত জনাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব নেক্সট question number 25 Which scheme Mishti associated with Mishti scheme to kihor logot related hudise so here correct answer option number A increase the production of the mangoes B reforestation of the mangroves gardening of the marigold for the export and encourage the consumption of the millet so here correct answer option number B that is reforestation of mangroves next question number 26 to method or objective to ami relate koribo lage correct answer kuntu hoy kobo lage so 26 correct answer option number C Next question number 27 this match the following and choose the correct code list of type of the communication or examples dia ase so interpersonal group communication transactional and massive so 27 our answer hobo option number C Next question number 28 dia ase a researcher divides a group of the students into the postgraduates graduates and students passing 10+2 examination using the random number table to make a selection representative of the each group this process is statistically is known as statistically ki boli koa hobo khudise so here correct answer hobo option number D that is stratified random sampling next question number 29 which of the following measures is affected by the extreme value of the observation so 29 or correct answer hobo option number A that is arithmetic mean next question number 30 given below the two statement select the correct code for the statement statement 1 to say ethical violations occurs when the researchers engage in plagiarism and falsifying data plagiarism means using someone's work with giving proper credit so here correct answer kinto hobo option number C statement A is true but statement 2 is false next question number 31 Find out the odd one among the following C++, MS Excel, Java, Pascal. So, your correct answer is option number B that is MS Excel. Next question number 32. Match the list 1 to the list 2. List 1 is a numerical data in image text manipulation of the independent variable. RDS a formulation of theory. So, question number 32 correct answer is option number C. Next question number 33. Match the following and select the correct code. So, blockchain, Bitcoin, Go, NumPy. So, here correct answer ki hobo apnaloke sabo lage so blockchain ki hoy latest technology A3 Bitcoin ki hoy cryptocurrency NumPy ki hoy actually programming language aru Go ki hoy library so question number 33 correct answer ki hobo option number A3B4 D1 so option number D is correct Next question number 33. The channel of the Swayam Prabha is are unlinked by. So it is unlinked korisile NPTEL. Option number B is correct. Question number 35. Which software is a plagiarism checker? Here bhitor kuntu plagiarism checker hoy hudise. Option number kuntu correct hobo here bhitor option number D that is Turnitin. So ইয়াৰ মাজতে আপোনালোকক জনাই থওঁ আপোনালোকৰ কোনোবাই যদি B.Ed ৰ কাৰণে প্ৰিপাৰেচন চলাই আছে SLET টো এক্সাম দিছে হেতু যেহেতুকে আপোনালোকৰ প্ৰফেসৰ কাৰণে এলিজিবিলিটি হয় বাট কোনোবাই যদি B.Ed ৰ কাৰণে প্ৰিপাৰেচন চলাই আছে এই চেনেলটোতে হেখিনি সকলোখিনি দিয়া হয় আৰু DHS ৰ এক্সামৰ লগতো প্ৰিপাৰেচন কৰাই থকা আছে আপোনালোকে চেনেলটো চেক কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব লগতে ভিডিওটো লাইক আৰু চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি যাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব Next question number 36. With regards to the DigiLocker, which of the following statements are correct? DigiLocker লগত related কোনটো statement correct হয় হদিছে so ইয়াৰ correct answer হ'ব option number B. Next question number 37. Which one of the following statements relating to the International Solar Alliance ISA is not correct? Kuntu not correct to this amount of rakhibo kintu. So question number 37 or answer hobo option number D. Next question number 38 is match the following type of the research with the corresponding intents: pure and fundamental research, analytical research, empirical research, and conceptual research. So it question number 38 or option ase ekhini. So 38 or correct answer hobo option number B. So B to your correct answer hoy. Next question number 39. Arrange the following terms associated with a communication process in appropriate chronological order. Message, medium, communicator, effect, receiver. So question number 39 or answer hobo option number D. Next question number 40. Read each of the following statement, assertion A and reason R, and indicate your answer using the codes given below. So kuntu correct hobo hudise. So question number 40 answer hobo option number B. Question number 41 ot ase a man repays a loan of the 3,250 rupees by paying 20 rupees in the first month and then increase the payment by 15 every month. How long will take him to clear the loan? So 41 or answer hobo actually option number 41 answer hobo option number A, that is 20 month. Next question number 42 ase a customer wants to buy 50 units of the paints. Last year by the price of the unit of the paint was 200 rupees. This year the price of increased by the 10%. The customer has a 10% discount coupon. The final amount will be paid by the customer. So question number 42 answer hobo option number B, that is 9,900 rupees. Question number 43 ase the point out the wrong statement about the quantitative research method. Quantitative research method actually wrong statement kuntu hoy hudise. So 43 answer hobo option number D. Then question number 44 ase in the research process which one of the following is the first step process with the research? Data collection, design of the study, problem formulation, data processing. So kuntu hobo problem formulation. Option number C is correct. Next question number 45. Match the following and select the correct answer using the codes given. Mo question to read kori disu jerke question paper khanot hokolore karone khelimeli koi ahe kintu set jehetuke 4ta ahe ABCD. So apnaloke question to bohi bhaldore option to mark koribo aru numbering khini muk count kori comment section ot janabole khali napahoribo. So here is the types of the communication description: verbal communication, non-verbal communication, written communication, visual communication. So question number 45 or answer hobo option number A. Next question number 46. On his visit to the Russia 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred the highest civilian award of the country. The award was. So award to naam ki asile hudise. So 46 or answer hobo B. Order of the Saint Andrew the Apostle. Next question number 47. Which of the following is not an ethically accepted principle in research? Kuntu noy hudise. So 47 or correct answer hobo option number D. That is invasion of the privacy. Next question number 48. A virtual private network VPN is an arrangement word primarily for kihor karone use kora hoy hudise. Speeding up the network, internet communicated broadcast, providing the secured connection to an internal connection for an external location, the data encryption. So 48 or answer hobo option number C. Next matter duta question ase 49 to hoise memory storage capacity in the measured unit. Kihor upor measure kora hoy hudise. 49 or answer hobo option number B, that is kilobytes, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte. Next question number 50 answer is HTML is used to create. HTML kyo karone use kora hoy? Web page, machine learning program, high level program, web server. So your correct answer hobo web page. Option number A is correct. So ekhone paper asile 2026 or SLET karone যিখন কমন হয় সকলো সাবজেক্টৰ কাৰণে। সো আপোনালোকক মই এখন আনসাৰ কিটো প্ৰভাইড কৰিলো, ডাইৰেক্ট আনসাৰখিনি কৈছো। আপোনালোকক কাৰোবাক যদি ডিটেইল আনসাৰ কিও লাগে মোক কমেন্ট সেকশনত জনাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। লগতে আপোনালোকে এই টোটাল 50টা কোৱেশ্চনৰ 100 মাৰ্কছৰ ভিতৰত কিমান মাৰ্কছ পালে মোক জনাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। আশা কৰোঁ সকলোৰে এক্সাম হয়তো ভাল হৈছে। চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰাৰ লগতে ভিডিঅটো লাইক কৰি যাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব আৰু লগৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গৰ লগত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। থ্যাংক ইউ ফৰ ওয়াচিং।